How to fix your Honda CRV dome lamp if it's not working. You can see this side is working and the other side does nothing. To get these out, you push up on this side, you take a little tiny screwdriver and you push and pull out, or you can do it with your fingers on both sides. This is how it looks with the cover off. Take off this one, and since this one works, swap out the bulb to this side to make sure that the bulb is not faulty. If you need to replace the bulbs, it is a DE3175. Next, take out the two bulbs there and there. They pull straight out. After your two bulbs are out, there is that Phillips head screw on both sides. Take both of that out, and then the whole mechanism just pulls straight down. After this is pulled down, take your little screwdriver, push it in there, push out the switch, clean it, put it back in, and then it should work. If not, then the switch is faulty and it needs to be replaced. Before putting your cover back on, always test it to make sure that it's going to work. The panels push right in from where you took it out. Push this side in first, and then just clip it in. That one side, and then you got your other. As you can see, both of the lights are working now. In the description, I'll have a link to the switches on Amazon you can get for pretty cheap if you need them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys.